This officer is very upset. A thief has been running around his town stealing and conning people. But the thief has a disguise, a very good one. But not good enough for these policemen. The officer calls the thief up in front of the reporters.
Which is here in front. You may call he or she. He or she. The way you can see is going or she's going to strip one by one until you see their appearance. That is the first stage.
It's a woman in a traditional hijab. Or is it? As you can see, a hijab is a veil that some Muslim women wear as a show of humility. But for a thief, it makes a great mask. The thief steps forward, surrounded by police. The sunglasses come off. Just like a movie, here comes the big reveal. Wait a minute. That's not a woman. As the hood comes off, we can clearly see the thief is a man. That should be enough proof for now. But the police aren't finished with this conman just yet. He takes off the top part of the robe. Yes. Still a man. That should be enough, right? No. The police tell him to keep going. So the thief takes off the rest of the hijab. Now we can clearly see this is a man in men's clothing, right? Well, just in case, let's make extra sure. The thief doesn't look too happy about what comes next, but maybe he should have thought of that before he decided to steal from people. The police officer is getting impatient. He wants the full show. So the thief reluctantly takes off his shirt. Okay, now we can really see he is a man and not a woman in a hijab. What's that? Oh no, Mr. Thief. We believe you. You don't have to take your pants off. But he does anyway. The police really aren't letting this guy get away with anything. Down go the pants and... Phew. Thank goodness he's wearing shorts. The police are finally satisfied. The mystery of the thief in the hijab is finally exposed. Literally. He stands there while reporters take pictures. I'll bet he thought he was pretty clever this whole time. But little did he realize how far the police would go to prove his guilt. Maybe next time he should try wearing a cape instead. Or, you know, just try not being a thief at all.